guys, thanks for joining us again on our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about call centers. Your phone might be part of a call center that you can log in and out of. This video will show you how to do so on both an Avaya 9508 and an Avaya 5410 phone. Let's start today by looking at the Avaya 9508 phone. Logging in and out of a call center is very easy to do. You'll have a busy lamp field labeled with the name of the call center. To log in, simply press that button. You'll notice that the button lights up when you are logged in. When you are logged into a call center and you receive a call, you'll notice that the caller ID information is shown here, and also that the call is coming in through the call center here. When you are ready to log out of the call center, simply press the button again. When you are logged out, the light turns off. It's important to remember to log out of the call center when you are done. Otherwise, calls can get lost in a queue or not answered. Next up, let's look at how to log in and out of the call center on the Avaya 5410 phone. Because the 5410 has a smaller screen than the 9508, you may have to scroll to the next page to find your call center button. You'll notice here the call center is labeled Appointments. Simply press the button next to it and you'll notice a small triangle icon appear indicating that you are logged in. When a call comes into the call center, once again you'll notice the caller ID information and that it's coming in through the call center. When you're ready to log out, simply scroll over, find the call center, press the button, and the icon disappears. Again, as a reminder, it is very important to log out of a call center to make sure callers do not get lost. Thanks again for watching. Make sure you follow us on Facebook and Instagram, like this video and subscribe to our channel, and check out our website for even more resources.